Alright guys, welcome to this video tutorial which is on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial we talked about nested listing and we saw how easy we can do some nested listing using the HTML tag, just UL or OL, and the list item which is LI. Now in this tutorial I want to be talking about the definition list. Now the definition list can be very useful when maybe you are defining certain terms or you want to throw light on certain points. Okay, so to know the syntax for the definition list, first of all let me go ahead and call a header. So I will have a header. I will use H1 today, and my header is going to be definition list. After that I need now to introduce my definition list tag. Okay, and that one we use the DL tag for the definition list. After that I will give myself space and I'm going to work inside the DL, which is the definition list. Now the DL over here is a parent, and in the next tutorial we are going to be talking about parent-child relationship in HTML. Yes, we have a parent-child relationship in HTML and you really have to know that. It's really gonna help you. So this DL tag, which is the definition list, has got two children. We have first of all the DT and we have the DD. Now what this DT is, this DT contains the term or the item that we want to talk about. For example, let's say I want to talk about internet. I have to place internet in my definition term over here like so. Okay, so now that I have my internet in my definition term, now I want to throw more light on internet, what the internet is. Let me increase my font, Ctrl++. Okay, so now I want to throw light on what the internet is. So I will now introduce my DD. Okay, and this DD means definition details. It gives us detailed information about the DT. So I'm going to now throw my light on the internet. So I can say internet is a network of computer networks. Okay, so let me copy that one and paste it over here like so. Okay, so this is throwing light on the DT, which is the internet which I have over there. Okay, so now let me save this, Ctrl S, and let me go to my browser and reload my page. Okay, let me decrease the font a bit. Okay, so now let me open this in a browser, and as we are about to see, we have definition list very nicely there, and we have the internet, which is the definition term, and under that we have internet is a network of computer networks. That's the details about the internet, and you see this has been indented very nicely. So this is really good when maybe you want to throw more light on a specific term. So I'll do that again. Then I'll do once again is to call my DT, which is the definition term, and I'm going to keep in an item over here which I want to talk about. So over here I'll say principles of design. Okay, after that I want to talk about principles of design, so I'll introduce my DD tag. Okay, so I'll call my DD tag over here. I'm going to put that in here. So once again I'll copy and I will paste that over here. Okay, now let me go ahead, save this once again. Let me do proper indentation over here. Okay, so now Ctrl S to save, and now Ctrl R to reload in the browser. So once again we have principles of design, and we have more light throwing on principles of design. So that's how we can use our definition list, by first of all calling the mother tag, I mean the parent tag, which is DL, and this DL has got two children, which is DT and DD. DT contains the term that we want to talk about, and DD throws more detailed information on the DT over here. So that is it for this tutorial, and meet me in the next tutorial whereby we are going to talk about parent-child relationship in HTML. Bye.